Well, I have to tell you, watching from afar what SCRS does for our industry, I felt it was important for me to get involved because of the impact that it does for our industry.
SCRS is one of those organizations that's uniquely positioned to be able to provide the collision industry with support and sometimes a little bit of market intelligence on how the actual collision industry is working. What drew me to it is that for almost a decade I had been providing articles and writing informational pieces in trade press, and I got to know Aaron and the board through that process. And through that process I began to admire a lot of the people that actually contribute to the SCRS selflessly. As you know, it's a volunteer organization. So the biggest thing for me that drew me to them was their passion about providing of themselves.
The connections that we have working with the OE Roundtable, we have a direct voice and we have the ear of the auto manufacturers, which I think is critically important. So we have a direct pipeline in communicating on what's coming down the road as far as new methodologies, new materials, the attaching methodologies on how they're integrating ferrous and non-ferrous metals, carbon fibers, composites and things like that, and how that repair process has to change as a result of that. So SCRS has helped in that respect, keeping those connections and those contacts with those people. So it's very important.
By putting yourself out there and making yourself available to meet and interact with other people with similar interests and similar problems really kind of provides you with a lot of clarity. There's never a meeting that I come to that I don't go back feeling more energized about what I do, and then it's like as that kind of wears down and I feel then it's time for another meeting, and I come and we talk about all of our day-to-day interactions, and I think that's the most important thing. I mean, we do some incredible work, but for me as a person, I get so much out of it.
Again, it's just, it's this organization is extremely important to me, and I mean the folks that are within it, they're family. And that's the difference I think that it makes, is that we all truly like each other. We all truly enjoy being around each other. And we all truly work really hard to make sure that stays that way. That's uncommon. That's uncommon, at least in everything I see, to find a group of men and women that are willing to sacrifice what they are, do what they do, and do it on a regular basis.